Hello and welcome to this video on data structure. Data structure are the fundamental concepts in computer science and programming that allow us to efficiently store, manage and retrieve data. They are essential tools for solving complex problems and building efficient algorithm. Let's start by defining what a data structure is in simple terms. A data structure is a class that can be characterized by its organizing and the operations that are defined on it. The data structure equals to organized data plus allowed operations. In other words, the organized collections of a data is called a data structure. The organized collections of a data is called a data structure. Let us know the formally defined a data structure. A data structure is a set of values along with a set of operations permitted on them. It is also required to specify the semantic of the operations permitted on the data values and is done by using a set of axioms which describe how these operations work, and therefore a data structure is made of. First, a data structure, a set of data values. Next is a set of functions specifying the data operations permitted on the data values. It means a set of data values is a data structure. Okay, and next is set of functions specifying the operations and permitted on the data values. And next is जो next क्या कहता है third point is a set of axioms describing how these operation work. जो सेट होता है एक्सोनियम्स का वो डिस्क्राइब करता है कि ऑपरेशंस कैसे काम करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अ डाटा स्ट्रक्चर. फर्स्ट, देयर आर वेरियस वेज टू क्लासीफाई द डाटा स्ट्रक्चर. First is permittive and non-permittive data structure. First, permittive data structure is the data structure that are atomic are called permittive. The data structure that are atomic, which is permittive, and example is real, Boolean or characters. And non-permittive data structure are the data structure that are not atomic, which is non-atomic. मतलब क्या हो गया कि वो डाटा स्ट्रक्चर जो एटॉमिक नहीं है वो क्या हो जाएगा, नॉन प्रिमिटिव हो जाएगा. एग्जांपल हो गया रिकॉर्ड्स और एरे और स्ट्रिंग. नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन इज लीनियर और नो लीनियर डाटा स्ट्रक्चर. फर्स्ट, लीनियर डाटा स्ट्रक्चर, द डाटा स्ट्रक्चर आइटम्स आर अरेंज्ड इन लीनियर सीक्वेंस आर कॉल्ड लीनियर डाटा स्ट्रक्चर. एग्जांपल एरे. एंड नॉन लीनियर डाटा स्ट्रक्चर आर द डाटा स्ट्रक्चर आइटम्स आर नॉट इन अ सीक्वेंस, which is non-linear data structure. Example tree. Next, so third classification of data structure is homogeneous and non-homogeneous data structure. First, a homogeneous data structure, all the elements are of a same type, like array. And in non-homogeneous data structure, the elements may or may not be of a same type. It means या तो वो हो भी सकते हैं सेम टाइप के या वो नहीं भी हो सकते सेम टाइप के, लाइक रिकॉर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन इज स्टैटिक एंड डायनेमिक डाटा स्ट्रक्चर. फर्स्ट, स्टैटिक डाटा स्ट्रक्चर इज स्टैटिक स्ट्रक्चर आर वंस whose size and structures associated memory locations are fixed at compile time. जिसका साइज और स्ट्रक्चर मेमोरी लोकेशंस होती है वो कंपाइल टाइम में फिक्स होती है. नेक्स्ट, डायनेमिक डाटा स्ट्रक्चर विच आर ones which expand or shrink as required during the program execution and their associate memory location change. This is the classifications of homogeneous data structure. And next is operations of data structures are operations of data structures. क्या क्या मतलब कौन से operations perform होते हैं डाटा स्ट्रक्चर में. फर्स्ट होता है ट्रैवर्सिंग. ट्रैवर्सिंग में क्या होता है, असेसिंग ईच रिकॉर्ड्स एग्जैक्टली वंस सो दैट सर्टेन टर्म्स इन द रिकॉर्ड में भी प्रोसीड. नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशन इज सर्चिंग, फाइंडिंग द लोकेशन ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड्स विद अ गिवन की वैल्यू. Next is inserting. Add a new record to the structure. Deleting, removing a record from the structure. Next operation is sorting. Arranging the records either in ascending or descending order according to the same key. Next is merging. Combining the records into two different sorted files into a single sorted file. Next is creating. A data structure says query is created from the data. These are the classifications, operations and introductions of a data structure. If you like this video and notes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.